0.5 bar. 5 bar means 0.55555 up to so on. How many? So many. Therefore, let us take 0.5555 like this. Therefore, multiplication with both sides. Multiplication with both sides with 10. 10x is equal to just 15 is coming after digit towards right side. Therefore, 5.5555 up to so on. Here, equation 1, equation 2. Therefore, equation 2 minus 1. Therefore, what is 2? 10x is equal to 5.5555. Therefore, x is equal to 0.55555. Let's take here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0.5 minus 0, 5. Therefore, 10x minus x means 9x. Here, therefore, 9x is equal to 5. Similarly, x is equal to 9 by 5. This is the P by Q form of 0.5 bar. 0.5 bar. P by Q form of 0.5 bar means 5 by 9. 5 by 9. Next, see, same like this is homework for you. Similarly 1. Therefore, 0.36 bar. 0.36 bar means 0. The repeated number 36, 36, 36. How many times? So many times. Let us take x is equal to this. Therefore, multiplication with 100. Why? Because to take 100, here is 2 digits. Therefore, multiplication with 100. 100x is equal to 36 point remaining 36, 36, 36, 36. Many times. Therefore, 100 is equal to 36 minus 36, 36, 36, 36. Therefore, x is equal to what is 0.363636 minus, right, what is 0. 36 minus 0, 36 is equal to 100 minus x means 99x. Therefore, x is equal to 36 divided by 99. What is the simplest form? This is 3 ones, 3 twos, 3 threes. Again, 4 threes, 3 fours, 3 elevens. This is final answer 4 by 11. Therefore, 0.36 bar, the decimal, the P by Q form. What is the P by Q form of 0.36 bar? Therefore, 0.36 bar is equal to 4 by 11. 4 by 11. Next, go to 4. See, 4. Then what is the 4? 3.127 bar. That means 3.1277777 up to so on. Let us take x is equal to 3.12777. That is called, here is 10. Like 10. 10 multiplication with 10 both sides. That is called 331.27777. Therefore, 10x is equal to 31 minus 2777. Therefore, x is equal to 3.12777 up to so on. Here is 0, 0. 7 minus 2, 5. 2 minus 1, 1 point. 33 minus 3, 28. That is equal to 10x minus x, 9x. Therefore, 9x is equal to 28.15. 28.15. Here, 9x is equal to 28.15. That is equal. What is meaning of 28.5? Therefore, 2008 divided by 100. Like 9x. Therefore, x is equal to, see, here is simplify is there. Why? Because according to divisibility 5, therefore 5 5s 25, 5 6, 5 3s, 5 20s. Like, therefore x is equal to finally 536 divided by 9 transfer to right side, 9 is reciprocal. Therefore 20 into 9, therefore x is equal to 563 divided by 180. 3.127 bar. In the form of P by Q form is, this is P by Q form. This is P by Q form. Go to the ninth Roman. Without actual dividing, find which of the following are terminating terms. Without actual division. What is meaning of without actual division? Like this. See, for example, 7 by 8. What is 7 by 8? 8, 7. This is not. Here is not this process. Without actual dividing, find which of the following are terminating decisions. What is the condition of terminating decisions? Like the denominator in the position of the denominator in the position. What is the position here is, see, what is the denominator position? The denominator position, the 2 power n into 5 power m. The denominator position 2 power n into 5 power m. That means the total fraction is terminating, otherwise non-terminating. For example, see once denominator position 2 power n or denominator position 5 power m, whatever it may be, 1, 2, 3. Anything by 2 power n or anything by 5 power m or anything by 2 power m into 5 power n, whatever it may be. The process 1, 2, 3. The denominator portion in the form this is or this is or this is. The fraction is the fraction is terminating, otherwise non-terminating. C, that is equal to 3.525 in terms of 5 square. What is the denominator portion? 5 power m. 5 power m. The fraction is terminating. The fraction is terminating. For example, C once. Therefore, for example, like example 25 3.0. 25 once 25. How 5. 30 minus 25 5. Point is already 25 2s 50. What is here? This is terminating. Terminate means remainder 0. Terminate means remainder 0. Like go to 11 by 18. 11 by 18. What is 11 by 18? See 11. What is 18? See 9 2s. That is equal to 11 by 9 in terms of 3 square into 2. 3 square into 2. This is terminating. This is non-terminating, repeating. Non-terminating, repeating. This is not in the form of 2 power n into 5 power n. The denominator position not in the form of 2 power n into 5 power n. This is non-terminating. Go to third. What is third? 13 by 20. 13 by 20 means 4 5s are like, therefore 13 by 4 in terms of 2 square into 5. 5 means 5 power n. Okay, here the denominator portion 2 power n into 5 power m. In the position, denominator portion 2 power m into 5 power n. Here n is equal to 2, m is equal to 1. S. This is terminating. This is terminating. Like this. For example, you take any doubt, solve that. Right. See what is 20, 30. Compared to 13, 20 is big because you take point 0. How many? 26 are 120. 130 minus 120, 10. Yes or no? Already point is there, 0 is added. Therefore, 25 is 100. Remainder 0. What is 13 by 20 is equal to in the decimal form 0.65. 0.65. This is terminating. Like go to 41 divided by 42. 41 divided by 42. Therefore, 6 7s are 42. At the same time, 40 divided by 6 means 2 into 3. See, 2 3s are 6 into 7. This is the denominator portion not in 2 power n into 5 power m. Okay, this is means non-terminating. This is not terminating. This is not terminating. This is not terminating. This is non-terminating, repeating. Non-terminating, repeating. Right. Go to the irrational number. Go to the irrational number. The irrational number indicate Q dash or R. Yes. The indicate. The irrational number indicate Q dash or S. See what is meaning of irrational number? The irrational number means root based. Odd number of root based. Root 2 comma root 3, root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8, root 10, root 11 up to so on. The best example is the irrational number is pi. What is meaning of pi? 22 by 7. 22 by 7, nearly 22 by 7. The best example of irrational number is 22 by 7. 22 by 7. Already we have discussed the irrational number. Lightly, touch the lightly irrational number. Go to the representing irrational numbers on the number line. On the number line. Representing irrational numbers on the number line. How? See, you take, for example, locate root 2 on the number line. Root 2 on the number line. The scale divided with the 1 square unit, unity. Like this. Example, this is 1 unit, also 1 unit, also you draw the 1 unit. Less. Therefore, point O, A, B, what is A, B, C? A, B, C. This is 1. This point is 1. Don't forget. Like this. You okay, right? At O, draw a unit square of OBC. A unit square of OBC. OABC. OABC means square. What is meaning of square? The four sides are equal. The four sides are equal. OA is equal to OB. Sorry, AB is equal to BC is equal to CO. Right? OAB is on the number line with each side 1 unit. Each side 1 unit. This is 1 unit. This is 1 unit. This is 1 unit. 1 unit. 1 unit. 1 unit. Side. By the Pythagoras theorem, OB. Thus, join the OB. Join the OB. Join the OB. See, join OB. Join OB. Join OB. See, according to Pythagoras theorem, OAB. OAB means right angle triangle. OAB means right angle triangle. See, right angle triangle. OB square is equal to, according to Pythagoras theorem, OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. OA square plus AB square. You find OB. You find OB. OB square means OA means 1 unit, 1 square plus AB means 1 unit square, 1 square. That is equal to 1 plus 1. That is equal to A. By OB square is equal to 2. OB means root 2. OB means root 2. OB means root 2. See, OB means root 2. OB means root 2. Right, you take using the compass. Therefore, you take right length of the OB. Length of the right. This is right. You draw arc. Right. See. Oh, sorry. See, you draw the arc, touch the point like this on the number line, on the number line. At touch the line, which point? This is point. This point. Which point? This point. This point is called root 2 on the number line. On the number line. Like this. Go to example 8. Example 8. This is root 2. Therefore, this is 1. This is 3 by 2. 2. This is like 5 by 2. 3. This is 3. This is 7 by 2. 9 by 2. Like up to so on like this. At the same time, this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. What is in between minus 1 by 2? What is the between? Between 0 and minus 1 by 2. What is in between? Exactly between minus 1 and minus 2. See, what is the between? This is 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Minus 5 by 2. Like, okay, right. Go to the example 8. Example 8. Locate root 3 on the number line. Root 3 on the number, same this process like here. See 1 by 2. Now in between minus 1 and 2 means root 3, minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. This is like minus 3 by 2. Go to example 8. Locate root 3 on the number line. Locate root 3 on the number line. Locate root 3 on the number line. At the same, similarly above process like, see, unit, 1 unit, same, join the only unit, 1 unit, O, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. Similarly above process, like already we know, AB, what is OB means root 2, what is AB means, OB means root 2, exactly B at 90 degrees, exactly B, this is also 1 unit, this is also 1 unit, this is also like this, join, this is whatever D, for example D, like this is 1 unit, you find OD, therefore according to Pythagoras, OD square is equal to OB square plus BD square. OB square plus BD square. What is OD square? You find OD square. OB, what is OB means 1 square plus BD means 1 square. Yes or no? See, root 2. See, OD square means OB square plus BD square. OB square means root 2. Root 2 square plus OD means 1 square. That is called root 2 means 2 plus 1, that is root 3. Root 2 whole square plus 1 square, 1. Root 3. This means OD means root 3. OD means root 3. Yes or no? OD means root 3. Like, see, this is OD. OD is now using the compass. You distance the 0 to D. For example, D. Yes, this is write the arc. Draw the arc. The arc touches to number line. Like this, right? Which point? This point. Here, this point. This point is root 3. Like root 5, root 6, root 7, like this process. Similarly, root 2 process and root 3 process on the number line. Okay. Tomorrow we discuss the real numbers.